Hi, Kate here at WTI. If you're looking for both style and function, this is what you'll find with this beautiful chopping board from ACACIA. Now this is the circular board. The circle itself is 12 inches across, and then of course you have this really nice handle with the loop so you can hook it if you'd like. It's nice and thin and lightweight, so it's easy to hang. Now it's made of acacia wood. I love the different tones and wood grain in this board. It's so beautiful. So every board will look a little different because of course it's natural wood and that's just the way wood grain is. Got a nice finish on it, which makes it super easy to clean. I love using this to display things on. So if you're doing a charcuterie board, this is perfect for that. You can also use this for chopping. I'm a little gentle with it because I want it to stay nice, but you can absolutely use this as a cutting board as well. It's got the nice little detailed edge and just a really beautiful design. So of course it serves a purpose, but it's also just really beautiful to display. So if you want to put this on a shelf or have it resting on your counter, this is an excellent choice. I'm sure you're going to love it. I think it's lovely, and that's my point of view.